Hello my dear friends, welcome back to Lakshmi's World. Today's video is a Malayalam tutorial video. This video is dedicated for all my friends in South India who don't know Malayalam and also for the children of Malayali couples residing in foreign countries who are not getting an opportunity to learn Malayalam. When I was studying in Tamil Nadu, many friends asked me to teach them Malayalam. At that time, I teach them in a normal way, but it was much difficult for them to understand. But now I find out a trick to learn Malayalam easily by using English alphabets and numbers. If you know these two things, that is English alphabets and numbers, I assure you that you can learn Malayalam alphabets within 3 days itself. So I am uploading these videos as 3 parts. First part is about Swaraksharangal, second part about Vyanjanaksharangal, and third part we will discuss Kotaksharangal and Chillaksharangal. So let us discuss the first part, which is about Swaraksharangal in Malayalam. First of all, let's familiar with the Swaraksharangals in Malayalam, and after that I will teach you how to write these letters in an easy manner. The first Swaram in Malayalam is A. Second, A. Then third, E. Next, E. U. U. R. A. A. I. O. O. Au. And A. Okay. So, let me discuss with you what is meant by a Swaram. Swaraksharam means an alphabet which have an independent existence. So, the alphabets which exist independently without any help of other sounds or alphabets is called a Swaram. So, the first Swaram is A. So, we need less time to pronounce A. But while we are considering the second Swaram, A, it takes much time to pronounce these words. So, we can categorize these Swarams into 2 categories. The Swarams which can be pronounced with a short time is called Hrasvam, and the Swarams which take more time to pronounce is called Dirgham. So, this A, E, U, R, A, O, etc. belongs to first category, that is Hrasvam. Then what about this A, E, U, A, O, etc. These all come to the second category, that is they are taking more time to get pronounced. So, they will come to the Dirgham category. So, now you are all familiar with this Swaraksharangal, right? So, Swaraksharangals can be categorized into Hrasvam and Dirgham. Now, let me show you how to write A in an easy way. Okay. Usually, we write A like this. By using English alphabets and numbers, you can write A like this. Okay. First you have to put a 1 here, then a 3 here, then a small letter M here and a small curve over here. Then you need to join these 2 parts. Right? Now you got an A. Once again I will show you. First you have to write a 1 here, then a 3 here, then a small letter M over here and a small curve here. Now you have to join these 2 lines. Okay. Now you get A. Right. Then next is A. A is almost similar like A. One thing you need to notice is that you have to extend that curve. Now you write A, then you need to extend this curve up to here. So, let's learn the tricky way. First you have to write 1 over here, then 3, then a small letter M, Then you have to extend the curve, right? Now need to join these two parts. 1 over here, then 3, then a small letter M, then extend the curve over here. Now you have learned right. Then for writing E, you need to write small letter N. Then from here you need to write the number 2. Then put a small curve here or small 0 here, right? First you write a 0 here, then a small letter N, then the number 2. E is ready. 0 over here, then small letter N, then the number 2. E is ready. Now let me see how to write E. E is also almost similar to E. First write a 0, then small letter N, then number 2. Then you have to put small letter M over here, then extend the curve up to here. Put small letter M here, extend the curve up to here. First a 0, then N, then write 2, then write small letter M over here and extend the curve up to here. Okay, then E is ready. Then next letter is U. U is very simple. You need to write the number 2 and put a 0 here. Number 2, then put 0 here. First you have to write the number 2, then a 0 over here. U is ready. Then next letter U. U is almost similar to U. First write 2, then put a 0 here, then small letter M, extend the curve up to here. 2, a 0 here, small letter M and extend curve up to here. Small, then first write a 2, 0 here, small letter M, extend curve up to here. Okay. U. Next letter is R. For writing R, you have to write the letter C, then put a 0 here, put a 0 here and put a big 0 here, right? R. C here, a 0 here, 0 here and a big 0 here. C, 0 here, 0 here and a big 0 here. R. Then next letter is A. For writing A, first write 2, then write 1, then small letter N and extend the 2 here and join this 2 lines. Once again I will show you. First you have to write 2, then after some distance you have to write 1, then extend this 2, then write small letter N over here and join these 2 lines. A is ready. Then write 2 here, 1 here, extend these 2 lines, then a small letter N here and join these 2 lines. A. Then next letter A. A is almost similar to A. First you have to write 2, then 1, then extend these 2 lines, then write small letter N over here, then from here you have to write the number 3, right? Then join these 2 lines. 2 here, 1 here, then small letter N, then write the number 3 over here, then join these 2 lines and extend this 2. Clear? Once again I will show you. 2 over here, 1 here, then you have to join these 2 lines, then small letter N up to here, then you have to write the number 3 and join these 2 things, right? A is ready. Then I. For writing I, first write small letter N, then a 0 over here, then 2, then 1, then small letter N, then extend this 2 line and join these 2 lines. I. First write small letter n, then a 0 here, 2, after some distance 1, then small letter n and join these two lines I. Again small letter n, a 0 here, 2, 1, then join these two lines, then a small letter n over here I. Then next letter is O. I will show this in next page. For writing O, first you have to put a 0, then a 3 over here. Then join these two lines. First a 0, then 3, then join these two lines. First 0, then 3 and join these two lines. O is ready. Then next letter O. O is also almost similar to O. First write 0, then this 3, then join these two lines and put a C, a mirror image of C here. 0, 3, mirror image of C. Then join this. O. 0, 3, join this. Then mirror image of C. Okay. O. Then OW. 0, 3, join these two lines, then small letter M, extend the curve up to here. 0, 3, join these two lines, small letter M, extend the curve up to here. This is OW. 0, 3, join these two, small letter M, extend the curve up to here. O, OW, A. A is also almost similar to that A. 1, 3, small letter M, then a curve over here, and you have to put a 0 for 1, 3, small letter M and a 0, and you have to connect this 1, 3, small letter M and a 0. Then you have to connect this 1, 3, small letter M, connect this. Okay. Then A. 1, 3, small letter M, then 2 more zeros, and you need to connect this 1, 3, small letter M, 2 more zeros, and connecting these two lines 1, 3, small letter M, 2 more zeros, connecting these two. Okay, now we have finished Swaraksharams in Malayalam. So once more we can revise. A, I, U, R, A, I, O, OW, A. I hope all of you clearly understood this easy way to learn Malayalam. If you like this video, please press the like button and put your comments in your comment section. We will see Vyanjanaksharangal in the next video. Okay, till then, bye.